The universe of artificial intelligence is vast. It's a space filled with mystery and wonder. Scientists and engineers are constantly exploring this new frontier. And every so often, a discovery is made that shakes the very foundations of what we thought we knew. Today we celebrate one such discovery, Llama 3.3. Llama 3.3 is not just another AI model. It's a beacon of hope, a shining example of what's possible when brilliance meets accessibility. This new AI model is outperforming its predecessors, even giants like GPT-4. But what truly sets Llama 3.3 apart is its affordability. It's a game changer. Imagine a future where the power of AI is not confined to large corporations. A future where small businesses, startups, and even individuals can harness the power of this incredible technology. That's the promise of Llama 3.3. This new AI model is not just pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's tearing them down, creating a more inclusive and accessible future for all. It's an exciting time to be alive, to witness the dawn of a new era in artificial intelligence. In the world of AI, size often matters. Larger models, with billions of parameters, are often seen as more capable, but Llama 3.3 challenges this notion. It's David going up against Goliath, and in this case, David might just have the upper hand. Both Llama 3.3 and GPT-4 are built on a foundation of complex algorithms. They are like intricate machines, processing information and generating text at an astonishing rate, but they approach the task in different ways. GPT-4, with its massive size, excels at deep understanding and creative text generation. It's like a master storyteller, weaving together words into captivating narratives. Llama 3.3, on the other hand, is more nimble and efficient. It's like a quick-witted debater, processing information rapidly and crafting concise responses. Both models have their strengths and weaknesses. GPT-4 might be better at writing poetry, but Llama 3.3 can hold a conversation in real time. The key is to choose the right tool for the job, and for many tasks, Llama 3.3's efficiency and affordability make it the clear winner. For years, the cost of developing and deploying advanced AI models has been a significant barrier to entry. It's been a game reserved for the wealthy few. But Llama 3.3 is changing the rules of the game. It's making advanced AI accessible to everyone. Imagine being able to access the power of AI for pennies on the dollar. That's the reality of Llama 3.3. It's significantly cheaper to run than its competitors, like GPT-4. This affordability opens up a world of possibilities. Small businesses can now afford to automate tasks, analyze data, and improve their services using AI. Startups can use Llama 3.3 to develop innovative new products and compete with larger companies. And individual developers can finally access the tools they need to bring their AI dreams to life. Llama 3.3 is not just an AI model, it's a catalyst for change, democratizing access to one of the most transformative technologies of our time. It's a gift that will keep on giving, empowering countless individuals and organizations to achieve their full potential. Don't let its affordability fool you. Llama 3.3 is a technological marvel. Under the hood, it's a complex machine, powered by cutting-edge algorithms and years of research. But you don't need a PhD in computer science to appreciate its brilliance. Think of Llama 3.3 as a super-powered brain. It's made up of billions of artificial neurons, all interconnected and working together. These neurons process information, learn from data, and generate text, just like our own brains. One of the key innovations in Llama 3.3 is its improved attention mechanism. It's like giving the AI model a pair of reading glasses, allowing it to focus on the most relevant information in a sea of data. This results in more accurate and coherent responses. Another key feature is its large context window. Imagine being able to remember everything you've ever read. That's essentially what Llama 3.3 can do. It can access and process vast amounts of information, making it ideal for tasks that require a deep understanding of context. Section 5. a universe of applications llamas reach. The potential applications of Llama 3.3 are as vast as the universe itself. It's a versatile tool that can be used in countless ways across various industries. From healthcare to finance, education to entertainment, Llama 3.3 is poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Imagine a world where doctors can use AI to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, where teachers can personalize education for each student's unique needs, where writers can collaborate with AI to create compelling stories and scripts. Llama 3.3 can be used to develop chatbots that can provide customer service, answer questions, and even offer companionship. It can power virtual assistants that can schedule appointments, manage emails, and control smart home devices. The possibilities are truly endless. The best part is that you don't need to be a tech giant to access this power. Llama 3.3's open source nature means that anyone can use it, adapt it, and build upon it. It's a platform for innovation, empowering individuals and organizations to create solutions that were once unimaginable. Section 6. A responsible guardian of intelligence. With great power comes great responsibility. The developers of Llama 3.3 understand this principle. That's why they've built in safeguards to ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly and ethically. Llama 3.3 is not just intelligent, it's also designed to be safe and unbiased. It's trained on a massive dataset of text and code, but it's also equipped with mechanisms to detect and mitigate bias. Imagine a world where AI is not used to spread misinformation or discriminate against certain groups. That's the future that Llama 3.3 is helping to create. It's a future where AI is used to empower and uplift humanity, not to harm or divide us. The developers of Llama 3.3 are committed to transparency and accountability. They've released detailed information about the model's training data, its capabilities, and its limitations. This openness is essential for building trust and ensuring that AI is used for good. Section 7. The future unfolds, Llama's legacy. The release of Llama 3.3 marks a turning point in the history of artificial intelligence. It's a step towards a future where AI is more accessible, affordable, and beneficial for all. But this is just the beginning. The journey has just begun. As we continue to explore the vast potential of AI, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking innovations in the years to come. Llama 3.3 has laid the foundation for a future where AI is no longer a luxury, but a fundamental tool for progress. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to poverty, where it empowers us to be more creative, productive, and connected. That's the future that Llama 3.3 is helping to shape. The legacy of Llama 3.3 will be measured not just by its technological achievements, but by its impact on humanity. It's a reminder that the true power of technology lies not in its complexity, but in its ability to improve our lives and create a better future for all. Section 8. Explore the cosmos with FarmHouseOfIT. The universe of technology is vast and ever-expanding. It's a place of wonder, discovery, and endless possibilities. And here at FarmHouseOfIT, we're your guides to this incredible frontier. We're passionate about exploring the latest advancements in technology, from artificial intelligence to blockchain, cloud computing to cybersecurity. Our mission is to make these complex topics accessible and engaging for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned tech professional or just starting to explore the digital world, FarmHouseOfIT has something for you. We offer in-depth articles, insightful analyses, and engaging videos that will keep you informed and inspired. Join us as we journey through the cosmos of technology, uncovering the latest trends, innovations, and breakthroughs that are shaping our world. Together, let's explore the boundless possibilities of the digital age. Section 9. Unleash the power of Llama. The future of AI is here, and it's more accessible than ever before. With Llama 3.3, you don't need to be a tech giant or a coding genius to harness the power of this transformative technology. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or simply curious about the potential of AI, now is the time to explore the capabilities of Llama 3.3. Experiment, innovate, and discover how this game-changing AI model can empower you to achieve your goals. Download Llama 3.3 today and join a growing community of innovators who are shaping the future of AI. Share your projects, collaborate with others, and be a part of this exciting journey. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. With Llama 3.3, the power to create, innovate, and transform is in your hands. What will you build?